Hello everyone, I am Saurabh Soni and today we are here to discuss about Aditya Birla Group. Aditya Birla Group was started by Seth Shivnarayan Birla in 1857, around 163 years ago, and is currently headquartered in Mumbai. The key people of the company is Kumar Mangalam Birla as the chairperson. The net worth of the company is 50 billion rupees, 50 billion US dollars, which in rupees is 3,70,000 crores in Indian rupees. The subsidiaries of the company are Ultratech Cement, Grasim Industries, Aditya Birla Capital and Vodafone Idea. The products and services by the company are Vodafone Idea, agricultural business, carbon black, cement, etc. Talking about the company profile, the company operates in 34 countries and 5 continents and has over 130 manufacturing units. Continuation to that, over 50% revenues are from the international operations. It is anchored by 1,20,000 employees belonging to 42 different countries. It was awarded the best employer in India in year 2018. Coming next to the vision of the company, the vision of the company is to become a premium global company with a clear focus on each of its business. The true values of the company are integrity, commitment, passion, seamlessness, and speed. The history of the company is very interesting. From 1930 to 1970, the company was shaping a conglomerate and has set up Grasim, Hindalco, and acquired Indian Rayon. Coming next to the making of multinational, the first Indian multinational company was Aditya Birla, and which served 4 countries: Thailand, Indonesia, Malaysia, and Egypt. Next, the Aditya Birla ventured into the service sector and financial services, telecom, and coming to copper and cement business by acquiring L&T Cement Network. In 2005, the company focused on building the scale through acquisition and acquired many brands like L&T, Madhura Garments, IT Services, and Annapurna Foils in India and globally many brands to lay foundation strong. In 2005 to 2010, the company focused on growth and consolidation and acquired many international brands. From looking forward to the next year, 2011 to 2018, the company focused on cementing leadership position in relevant sectors and globally focusing on all the businesses which it takes over. Coming to the business sector and focusing on metals, Hindalco and Novelis are the companies which are aluminum based and has over 50 manufacturing units across 11 countries and have around a workforce of 37,000 people. It is the world's largest producer of flat rolled products. Birla Copper is one of the largest single location customer copper smelter, leading producer of the copper cathodes and continuous copper rods, and catering to wire, cable and transformer service. The Ultratech business of the Aditya Birla Group was took over from the L&T Group. And it is a global leader in cement, and it is the largest producer of grey cement, white cement and ready mix concrete in India and has a capacity of 117 million tons per annum. Next, coming to the Vodafone Idea, the Aditya Birla previously owned the Idea telecom service, which then merged into the Vodafone network and formed Vodafone Idea. Aditya Birla is the third largest telecom service provider in India and has a market share of around 25%. Talking about the financial service, Aditya Birla Capital is among the top fund manager in India with aggregate sum of 2813 billion rupees. The Aditya Birla is 4th largest asset management company in India and among the 5 general insurance brokers in India. Coming next to the textile business, the Aditya Birla Fashion and Retail was founded by the Madhura Coats and then changed its name to the Pantaloons Fashion and Lifestyle by acquiring Pantaloons in 2013 for a deal of rupees 1600 crores by acquiring the business from the Future Group. Pantaloons is a complete vision fashion shopping destination with around 210 plus stores and serve 97 countries. Next to the uh, planet. Next to the deep partnership with the global brands Ted Bacon, Forever 21, Simon Caterer are the brands which were internationally acquired in the textile businesses. Aditya Birla owns the brand Louis Philippe, Van Heusen, Ellen Solly, Hackett London, Peter England, People, Pantaloons, and much more brands. The research and development of the company has a very enormous growth and has filed for 59 patents till now and has over 100 world-class staff in PhD categories. Business engaged in the research center of the Aditya Birla are Hindalco, Birla Carbon, Aditya Birla Nuvo, Aditya Birla Chemical, and every business in each field. Aditya Birla Science and Technology Company Limited is focusing on the cost reduction, revenue growth, reduced capital intensity, raw material risk mitigation. Talking about the sustainability of the company majorly focus on sustainability and efficiently working. So the Novelis is the world largest recycler of used beverage cans and also use wind energy farms and have over 25% of the company's consumption of electricity by reusable energy and 75% by non-reusable energy, which they are looking forward to reduce in the future coming. The Aditya Birla Carbon Black was guided by the excellence approach and has 13 out of 17 plants are energy positive and 11 plants has zero industrial wastewater discharge. Focusing on reducing water consumption, recovery of waste heat, conversion of waste to raw material, reduction of carbon footprint, and monetization of carbon credits. The 10 sustainability goals are green building, energy, water, waste, zero to landfill, safety, wash and initiative, product, packaging, carbon footprint, and CSR. Talking about the CSR, the main focus of the company are education, health and family welfare, girl and child, women empowerment, sustainable development and livelihood, and water and sanitation. Talking about the Indian corporate social responsibility, Aditya Birla runs 56 schools and has over 18,000 children who are underprivileged, and it also operates 20 hospitals which have 5 lakhs patients to get subsidized medical care. It also have helped 4,500 self-help groups empowering 45,000 women. Now coming to the work beyond business, Aditya Birla reach over 7.5 million people annually and works in 5,000 villages globally, and also runs 56 schools and provide merit scholarships to 24,000 children and from the interiors and exteriors. Aditya Birla and the COVID-19. Aditya Birla has contributed around rupees 500 crore to fight COVID-19. The Aditya Birla has pledged 1,095,000 N95 masks, 2,80,000 PPE kits, as well as ventilators of rupees 50 crore. And talking about the interpretation by the calculation made by taking the share prices, sales and profit, I have applied least square exponential smoothing and regression and correlation. The interpretation of least square method was obtained in the form of equation that is 210 plus 0.30 negative multiplied by x. By this equation we can predict future values and gain the information about future. We have also applied MAD, MSD and MAP. The MAD value is 18.9, which shows that the difference in the predicted values can be 18.9 points above or below from the calculated value. The value of MSD is 740, which is a very large value, but due to my data in high figures, the value is alright, and the lesser the values, the better the fit of the data. Talking about the map, the value obtained from the calculation is 9.68%. So the accuracy of the error is differentiated by 9.6%. So the value that is values can be different from about 9.6% from the forecasted values. Now coming to the exponential smoothing is calculated by formula ft plus 1 is equal to ft plus alpha at minus ft. I have taken the alpha value 0.9, which is a smoothing factor. Coming to the regression and correlation, the p-value of 0.01 is less than the significant level is 0.05, so it rejects the null hypothesis and shows that the data is significant and the change and shift in the dependent variable, that is sales and profit, are associated. Talking about the correlation value shows a positive correlation among the sales and profit, which is 0.45, which shows that 0.45 increase in the profit increases one value of sales in the business. So if one value increases, the other will also increase. This was all about the interpretation, the company, and the calculation made by me.